Hey guys, so for today we are working on everyday math lesson 6.2, and we are going to be looking at baseball multiplication. Now on this one, it's going to be a pretty easy day because we're learning a new game. But you have your math boxes, then I want you to place some baseball multiplication, then you have a math homework to do. So your goal for today is I can play baseball multiplication to help my multiplication fact fluency. This game is just meant to help you solve your math facts quicker so that you know them. All right, let's do a warm-up. So if you have 30 basketball players, how many teams of exactly 5 players can you make? What is the number sentence goes with this problem, and then we're going to look at what is the fact family for the numbers sentence. So go ahead and solve for the number sentence and let me know what your number sentence is going to be. You should have said 30 divided by 5 equals our question mark, and then go ahead and solve for the number sentence. You should have said the answer is 6. 30 divided by 5 is 6. So for this problem, it says that we're making teams of 5. So here's 5. Another team is 10. Another team is 15, 20, 25, 30. Remember, I only have 30 players. So when I'm done, I can see that I have 6 teams. The next thing is you're going to pick the facts that would fit into the fact family. So look at your fact families, write those out, and then pick the ones that match. You should have said multiplication, 6 times 5 equals 30. Then we flip the factors, 5 times 6 equals 30. And then we do 2 division. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. All right, so moving on, we're going to use this multiplication chart to solve the riddle. The riddle is, what animal is good at hitting a baseball? So we solve each fact below, and then we match the product to a letter in the key. Then we write the letter on the line above the fact to answer the riddle. So we're looking at 3 times 3. That equals 9. I can look at my product. 9 fits in this category, so we're going to call it A. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 is here, so we're going to say this letter is B. 2 times 2 is 4. It goes in this one, so that is an A. And then 10 times 10 is 100. That fits here. So we're going to put a T here. So what animal is good at hitting baseball? A bat. Of course, we know that there are 2 types of bats. We have the animal that flies, the bat, but we also have a baseball bat. So the bat animal is probably going to be good at hitting baseballs. All right, so we're going to be playing this game online. And what we're going to need to do is to go to the McGraw-Hill website, and we're going to go through a few rounds so that you can see what's happening. So from the resource portal, go to McGraw-Hill, log into McGraw-Hill, then log into your math, and you will click on your math book. And then finally, you will click on the EDM Games Online. So at the bottom, the Games Online. Once you get here, you're going to click on baseball at the top. Baseball has a few different ways that we can play it. There are addition and extended addition. We're looking today at playing baseball multiplication 1 through 10. If you know like 11s and 12s and you know your facts pretty well, then you can do 12, or you could even do 3 numbers. But for most of us today, we're going to be focusing on the 1 through 10. Once you start the game, you'll click your colors.
Hey, heavy hitters, let's play baseball multiplication. Ready? Okay, Red Ravens, batter up. Click the pitcher to get a pair of numbers.
So you're going to follow what the directions say. The pitcher is the blue one at this point.
Multiply the two numbers, then enter your answer on the keypad and click OK. This hitting table will show you what kind of hit you got. Let's play ball.
So 9 times 4 is 36. I'm going to type it in. I can see that 36 will give me a double.
Good hitting, a double.
And then we're going to hit the pitcher again. 5 times 6 is 30. 30 is also going to be a double.
Good hitting, a double.
We're going to hit the pitcher again. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 will also be a double. We're getting lots of doubles.
Double.
6 times 2 is 12. And anything from 1 to 24 is a single.
A solid single. Oh, you hit that well, but it's an out. You're out.
So in baseball, you get 3 outs, and then you switch where you will be the pitcher and not the hitter anymore. Click on the pitcher again. 8 times 4, I'm going to show you what happens if you get it wrong. So if I say 8 times 4 is 35, it gives me a strike.
Incorrect.
If I get
Strike 1.
3 strikes, if I get 3 strikes, then I make an out. So I'm just going to show you that. I'm going to say 8 times 4 is 41. 31. Another strike.
Incorrect. Strike 2. Take another swing at the answer. Incorrect. Strike 3. You're out.
So you would continue playing. If you're playing it by yourself, the computer will go through all of this, and then you'll be able to play again for the next inning. So that's your game that you're playing. For your math home link, I wanted to show you this. Same idea as baseball, except we're going to be doing some shading. So we have the key at the bottom. If it's 0 to 20, we don't shade. 21 to 40, shade. 41 to 60, don't shade. 61 to 100, shade. So what I like to do first is go through and solve all of my problems. So that's 42, and write it in. 21, 50, and then 40. So I would go through and I would find all of the products, and I need you to be writing them inside the spaces, and then you're going to shade them. So 42 falls in this category right here, 40 to 60, so I'm not going to shade it. 50 is in the same category, I'm not going to shade it. 21 is right here, so I'm going to shade this one in. You can shade it with whatever color you want. If you want to switch your colors and have fun with it, you can do that. And then 40 falls right here, so we're going to shade in this number as well. Like I said, go through and find your answers, and then go through and do the shading. Make sure you're writing all of your answers to find the riddle here, or the hidden message. So you have your math boxes, you have your game, and then you have that home link where you're coloring.